Please excuse my hair. But good morning, everyone. It is actually dumping outside. It's like thunderstorms and like lightning, and I don't know if you'll hear it, but probably at some point today, if I can get it on camera, you will hear the thunder because it is so loud. But I'm loving it. We haven't had like a good thunderstorm in so long. Hold you down here. So it's nice. Everything's so green. We sprouting like daisies. I just love thunderstorms so much. Open the door. Don't you just love the sound of rain? You in our garden will be very happy. Rain is probably one of my favorite sounds. Thunder and rain. I just love the sound of thunderstorms, guys. Like, so very much. Oh no, my battery's gonna die. But I'm gonna go to the bathroom, get ready, and we're gonna start this vlog today. Okay guys, it's starting to rain really hard. The thunder literally just happened, but I had to go upstairs and change my battery. I should have done that beforehand. Maybe if I stand here long enough, you'll just hear it. There it is. I can't tell if you can hear that, but oh my god, I love it so much. I just love rain. It's great. Do you hear that? Did you also see that flash of lightning? There's genuinely nothing more soothing, to me at least, than the sound of thunder and lightning and rain. I don't know. Because whenever it rains, then that means, especially in the springtime when it rains, that means that new life is coming. And that things are going to be growing, and that it's kind of like a fresh start, wiping the slate clean. I don't know. It's very poetic, but I just love the rain. Even running around it, so much fun as well. Maybe I'll do that for later. But also running around in a thunderstorm is also not the quietest. It was supposed to feel really hot today. It does not feel very hot. It feels rather cold. My breath. Hard. I need to get a fuck. Yep. It is downpouring now. Torrential downpour. It's kind of hard to tell, but it's a pouring. Probably close the door. I'm so sorry. I did not mean to step on your foot. Today shall be a good day. Oh, I should light candles and like read books and stuff, or maybe draw. I just love it so much. Thunder, lightning, pouring. Ugh, it's very dark. Okay, so unexpected turn of events. Oh, at least, well, I knew of it, I just didn't know if I was going to it, but my dad convinced me. Picture opportunities to hang out with Connor. But we're gonna go meet up with Connor, Sandra, and Grandma Learn too. I'm assuming, yes, Dad, no, maybe yes. So? Okay, and we're gonna go touch fire trucks. Because it's touch a truck day. It's also Ethan's birthday. I need to wish her happy birthday. So Ethan, if you ever see this by some miracle, happy birthday. Here we are at Grandma's again.
Huh?
Oh, lots of stuff moved. Okay, I'm gonna go. Wait, one sec. Connor! Okay, goodbye. He ran away. We're gonna go help them over. Okay, now we are off to go see the trucks. The trucks of fire. Now we go. Rhiannon, I'm gonna need you to remain calm. I know you really love trucks, and this is a really big moment for you, but you need to keep your cool, man. There's children here.
Where are the trucks?
They're right there, Rhiannon. I can see them. Beyond yonder. Okay.
People's cars.
They're trucks, Rhiannon.
Hey, right there. Over here.
Connor's ready to see trucks.
Cream trucks and different types.
He's not ready to see the trucks. Connor, what's wrong? Okay, Connor. You should go get a vest too. They have vests and I think helmets. Look at all the trucks. What's that? Connor, you see the truck? Are you gonna go in it?
Okay. Connor, do you want to go push the horn? Okay, go.
Here we go.
Go on the other side.
Don't you want to climb on the truck? Connor, you need to get out of the truck.
Connor. Hey.
Oh yeah, some quality trucks there. Could care less. He's like, popcorn, movie, it was great. Okay guys, I'm sitting in a truck. This is very exciting. Connor, hi! Hi! Connor! Hello! We did it at last. We found the fire trucks. I know.
Oh,
there's Superman.
Oh. Very realistic.
Very. Wonder if they got that from like a fair people. This is my least favorite part of the fair. Like the parade. Whenever we go to the parade and they start wailing those horns, it's awful. The exact situation in which we left our heroines off the trucks last week. Yeah.
You look so sad.
Because we're going off. It's because either we're going off the court or we've just been kidnapped.
It's windowless.
Yeah.
We'll actually be seeing the sunlight.
Am I tense?
Yeah.
There you go. There you go. Okay, bye. That's funny.
We already have one of them.
Think about all the people that sit here. Cold bench. Cops usually put shackles on as well. How do they? Oh, the shackles. Okay, they're not. Usually, yeah, we don't have them right now. Yeah. Okay.
Oh, he's got handcuffs on him.
Yeah.
Wow.
Always knew it was a
There you go.
It wasn't me. I was not. Ronan just got handcuffed. Ronan is a bad boy. He's got
arrested.
I got arrested.
Arrested. Are you developing something? Don't know if you can see this, but those little oh, there you go. Those are balloons. What?
I guess it's supposed to be helping the environment, not making it worse.
And then there's a lone balloon. This is my kind of truck. It is a truck that is full of books. Heck yeah. Little Red Riding Hood, but not today. Costco. Bo's just silently just sitting there. Alrighty, we're officially at the Bassett bustle. Bubba, what are you doing? Let me see you. You gonna go? Come on. I can't deal with this. This dog is so cute. Oh my god. Oh my god, that's so adorable. Okay. Put these on because I don't really need them right now. But we are still at the Basset Bustle. I also meant to say we're at the Basset Bustle. But we just left. We're about to leave. As you can see, big scary storm clouds. I also have poop in my hands. Big storm clouds, so the storm is coming back. But we're just taking the Bassets around for a little loop before we put them back in the car because they really don't like the car. Roscoe's very verbal about it. Okay, but we're gonna head home now. Now it's cold again. This weather's so confusing. It was cold this morning, and then it was like 33 degrees, boiling hot, and now that it's getting dark again and windy, it's colder again. No, I don't think so. There's, oh my god, there's this little puppy that looked just so lost and confused, and it was just sitting in the middle of the baseball diamond, just alone, but it found its owner again. I'm like, I think it got separated by accident. I like wandered off, and it was just like, wait, where am I? But no, Roscoe did so well. He's a good boy. He was super social with the other dogs. He growled only twice, which is totally normal. That dog just gave up. He's so big. Oh my god, he's splooting.
Congratulations. Okay. And the Norwest cleaning company.
Oh my god, that dog is splooting. I can't tell if you can tell. Oh, hi, that's Sachimo. Bye, Bubba. Bye, puppy. Yes. Goodbye. Okay, have a good day. If you guys don't know who Sachimo is, he's an Instagram dog. Dean the Bassets also. I think he was back there. I'm not really sure. But it's Sachimo, Dean, and Chief, I think. They're very cute little puppies. He knows. Roscoe, you have to go back in the car. I'm sorry. Come on. But, so long, Basset Bustle. It's been swell. It's been one hell of a wagon time. Okay guys, so we are back now at the house. Dogs are very tired. You can't really tell, but Bo's right there. She's very exhausted. Basset Bustle, it was really nice to be able to actually go. I was a little worried at one point that we weren't gonna be able to make it, but I'm so proud of them. They were so good. And I'm just really proud. Roscoe's come so far. But I think I'm also gonna end the vlog here. I have a feeling this vlog is gonna be like really long, but at the same time, I'm not really sure. It all depends on how I edit. But I hope you guys have liked this video. If you have, give it a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button for more fun vlogs and other fun things in the future. And I shall see you guys all in my next video. Bye.